Yo guys, we're back in Scratch and we're doing RPG Adventure Game Part 2 in Scratch. So what I just did was just got this green backdrop and just cut this hitbox, because what was happening is when I was moving towards the tree, what used to happen is that the player used to stop right in front of it, meaning when it used to touch the color, it used to stop. Yeah. So what used to happen is this player used to stand from a distance to that tree. So, and for example, if you're getting fruit and you're in a distance, it doesn't make any sense. That's false. That's very false. So what I did, I just cut it, and now it works perfectly. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that guy go. He's red in color. He's bleeding. So I hate such things. Actually. Yes, so we got this player hitbox, we've got nothing to do with, and I just made this up quick. Notch key spaces. So what we have to do is make a new variable. We have to rename this variable and we call it fruit. Fruit, for example. Let's make another variable. Get fruit. Get that fruit. Yeah, get that fruit. Extra fruit. And yeah, I've already added that. And as you can see, we have these two, which are actually very stupid. Get fruit, and this is to be get fruit. I simply don't understand. Why do I type fruit? Fruit. This is simply stupid. I don't know why. Why that's happening. Let's try it again. Oh, I haven't changed these. What an idiot I am. Yeah, now it's working. Very nice. Now what we have to do is we have to get our fruits. Yeah, we're gonna loot our fruit. We don't need to loot because there's nobody there to loot. Haha. No police either. Yeah, that's very good. Sorry, police. So what we're gonna do, we got this. That's Latin. I don't know what it means. I read it in asterisks. I don't know. They should have a translation, something like that. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add a countdown, something like that. Yes, countdown. So I actually already made it up. So we're going to upload Sprite. Let's go to there here, and that's my folder. And where's favorite songs, each one. Animator private, animator print book, Scratch, Google logo, surface, YouTube files. Where's my thing? YouTube standard VI Bandicam, Exo Tron. Where is it? Yeah, it's in downloads. There we go. Sprite 1. And there we are. We got our sprite. Costume 0, costume 1, costume 2, costume 3, costume 3, costume 4, costume 5, costume 6, costume 7, costume 8, costume 9, costume 10. I already created this before, so now I don't need to create it again. So let's go to when clicked forever block. Oh, this is so boring. What can we do? Where's this guy? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hey, get out of my way. Get food. Let's say food is here. And let's just, make a simple tada fruit. Simple fruit. Just take a circle. Ooh, red. Red! Yeah, that's good. And then we take a small little square around the hills. No, there's no hills around here. So, that. And yes, we got it here. Good! And we gotta make this look like a tomato. But, I think I've over-limited my time. So, this is the end of the second part. And we're going to do more things in the third part. So, subscribe to the channel. And, yeah, don't forget to like and share and do whatever you want with this. It's time to go. Bye!